2-tier cedar planter. 1 weekend. Fits any wall. Sad little pots. Meet your replacement. From start to finish, let's build it. Here are the tools and the full cut list. Stick to the end and I'll show you where to get them free. First step, cutting. Miter saw for cross cuts, table saw for long ribs. Every piece is on the cut list. Making it longer or shorter is easy. Adjust the length on the 12 long box boards in the cut list. See that? Almost every cut leaves a rough, splintery end. A quick pass with the sanding block cleans every one of these up. I'm going to seal all sides of each board for better outdoor protection. All sides except for the inside surfaces of the planter boxes that will be in direct contact with soil. And for this I'm using this outdoor oil wood finish. Cedar handles weather well on its own, but this planter takes rain, sun and snow all year. So a coat of sealant gives it extra protection and adds years to its life. Next day, the boards are dry and ready to assemble. I am starting with the support legs. Here's how the 3 support legs come together. I mark where every joint lands. Quick tip: real board dimensions are not always exact, so I check actual lumber size and adjust the marks if necessary. Rather than measure all 3 from scratch, I copy the marks of the first one. Now I assemble the supports one at a time. I drill a pilot hole for every single screw. Cedar splits easily, especially close to the ends. A pilot hole prevents that every time. Then 2.5-inch deck screws, 2 per joint. 2, not 1. That's what keeps the joint from twisting or working loose later. The finished planter will be almost 10 feet long. Now the big question: would you waste this on flowers? Because this is a veggie machine. Tell me I'm wrong. Middle support is done. Now the left and right. Same build, same steps, with one difference. That tall 72-inch post for the lattice. Everything else is identical. Now the first planter box. Each box is 2 rows of deck boards stacked, and I'm building the top row first. Same rule as before, pilot holes first. And I've switched to 1 5/8-inch screws here. Second row now, and I'm joining the layers with a pocket hole jig. It drills an angled hole so the screw stays hidden inside the joint. I mark 4 pocket holes on each long board, 2 at each end and evenly spaced. The middle stays open on purpose. The center of the board rests right on the middle support, so it's already held there. And remember, this design fits almost any wall. If you need help resizing it, drop a comment and I'll help you figure it out. Now the bottom. Solo, I clamp one end to hold it while I fasten the other. I use 1 5/8 deck screws here, 2 at each end. Then I lock the bottom to the sides, using 4 deck screws along each board. Now assemble the second planter box the same way as the first one. The first finished box drops into the upper level of the frame. Then I lock it down, 4 to 6 screws into each support leg. Quick tip: if the box is a tight fit going in, loosen the support leg screws just a little. It will give you some wiggle room. Drop the box in, then snug them back up. Now the middle support. I mark the center, position it there and screw it down, 4 to 6 screws. And finally, I tighten every screw I loosened earlier. Same process for the lower box. Set it in, line it up, screw it down. I built the lattice with 1-inch brad nails, following the plan for the spacing. I use stainless steel brad nails, not galvanized. From my experience, galvanized nails eventually rust outdoors and stain the wood. I set the lattice 1 inch below the top edge, but honestly, put it wherever looks right to you. Align the other support and screw it to the top box, just 2 screws. Finally, I fasten the lattice to this post, brad nails or screws. Then the post caps, 1 on each of the 4 posts. Be honest, would you build this or just buy one off Amazon? Before soil, I drill drainage holes across both bottoms. Garden fabric lines the inside. Soil stays off the bare wood. Water still drains through, clean and protected. And that's the finished planter. 2 tiers, cedar, lattice and all ready to plant. Here's the bonus. Full plans and cut lists are free in the description. Go build your own.